What's up, my noodles? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do this look using the Taste Beauty / Hot Topic / Nickelodeon collaboration palette. This is a look I created and that was the palette. So if you want to know how I got this look, let's get started. For my base, I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer and a Beauty Blender, and we're going to set that with this color right here. It is called Oh Fish Sticks, and this is a Bdellium brush, number 778, and we are going to move on to All Dolled Up, that pink color right there. I'm going to use my Doll10 Beauty brush and blend that out. That will be our transition for today. And I'm just going to have that right in the crease and kind of slowly blend it up towards the brow. Moving on to add some depth and dimension, I'm going to use this burgundy shade right here. It's called You Idiot. That's a Ren and Stimpy thing for y'all that don't know. It's adorable. I love it. And my brush is a Morphe M506 brush. We're going to start out in the outer corner of our eye, then move into the inner center and then the inner corner of the eye as well. That way we can also create depth, dimension, and progression. And in order to create that progression, don't use the same brush to blend upward. Use the previous brush you did before and kind of eradicate those lines of demarcation because we want those blends. That is what we're here for. Moving on to this shade right here. This is called Football Head. I'm going to use my Morphe M560 brush and I'm going to lightly tap the color onto the outer corner of my eye until I build the shade perfect enough for me to move into the center and the inner corner, because it's all about progression here, like I said earlier. Not only that, this palette is actually not the greatest palette. I mean, it's very inexpensive. I think it was like $14. I'm not sure. I got at Hot Topic. I've never bought any makeup at Hot Topic before, but I thought this looked really cute. I saw Jeffree Star had a really negative review on it, but I figured, you know what? I want it for the nostalgia. And I feel also as an artist, you will try to utilize what you have around you, your tools, and just anything that you have. So that's what I'm doing with this. So just lightly tap on the color until you have the desired shade. And don't blend it together too much because you might end up with mud. So I'm just kind of blending out the lines lightly, just the lines though. Don't move the color into another color, if you know what I mean. Speaking of utilizing the tools and materials around you, I'm going to use this old ColourPop lippy. I don't remember the color of it because my child kidnapped this shortly after I used it. I'm going to use an angle brush and this to cut my crease. And I haven't bought ColourPop for maybe like 2 or 3 years because when I did, I really did not like the formula. I thought it was very drying. And I don't know if the formula has changed since then, but this ultra matte lip formula from circa 2016 or whenever I bought it, it's crazy because usually you'll throw away all your old lippies by then, but this is perfect for cutting the crease. It dries quickly. The colors are so rich, pigmented, and vibrant. And you put glitter or pigment over it, oh, I swear upon my soul, it is probably one of the most beautiful, spectacular things you'll ever see. And not only that, I had this look on for 12 hours in this nasty dry desert and it did not move. It stayed put. Let me tell you. Moving on, I'm going to use this green shade right here. It is called Everrrrrr. I'm using the brush it came with to kind of pat it on, but it didn't work out because out of all the shades, this was the crappiest one. It didn't swatch. There was nothing on there, but maybe little chunks of glitter. So I resorted to using my finger. It worked a little bit better this way, and the color popped more under the ColourPop. Hence the name ColourPop, y'all. But a lot of the glitter kind of showed through when I patted it on, but none of the color did. So don't expect much from that color, and it's the prettiest one on the palette, which is a big shame. I'm going back in with that blue color, which is Football Head, and my Morphe brush. I'm just cleaning up my lines a little bit to sharpen the crease. I'm also adding a little bit more depth there in the outer corner of the eye and blending it towards the center just to give it more blend, a little bit more of a cleaner look. I wanted to add a little more pop in the center of my eye, so I went in with this pearlescent white called I'm Beautiful and my finger and just popped it in the center to give a little more dimension. Now I'm going for the bottom lash line. I'm going to use these 2 colors right here, You Idiot and Hi Ho Diggity. I'm going in with my Morphe brush and I'm going to start off with the red shade first and kind of fade it out with the orange. For my liner, I'm going to use the CoverGirl to make a wing. This is the new CoverGirl liquid liner, and I'm excited because I love the brush. It reminds me of an eyeliner that they have discontinued and I used to love dearly. And I'm going to make a wing. I'm going to wing it right now. It's not going to be a big dramatic wing. It's just going to be a kind, gentle, yet fierce wing. Say hello to my new favorite mascara. This is Doll10 Beauty Illegal Eyes. I love this mascara because it doesn't bleed. It does not bleed. Anything I use will not bleed because I don't like bleeders, and it doesn't sting your eyes either. My eyes are sensitive mascara. That shit gets in there, it's ruined for the rest of the day, let me tell you. This is my new favorite falsies. These are Lash official falsies in halos. I love supporting small businesses, especially small lash companies, so if you know a couple, put them down below in the comments, y'all. This is another Doll10 product. This is Arch Expert. I love the brush because it fits perfectly on your brow. And for my waterline, Buxom Call Me. Y'all already knew that. My lippy, of course, it's Buxom. Taupe It Off, Vava Plump, and we're all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know I appreciate every single freaking one of you. And give me a like, comment, subscribe if you want to. And I really hope to see y'all in my next video. Love you all, and toodles.